Today's topic is types of pressure pipe or pressure conduits. Various types of pressure pipes or pressure conduits depending upon the construction material. On the basis of construction materials, the pressure pipes or conduits are of the following type. These pipes are used for transmit the water for from source like river, lake to the water treatment plant. These pipes are bigger dia. So in this list, first pipe is cast iron pipes and widely used. It is widely used for city water supply. They are sufficiently resistant to corrosion and may last as 100 years. Very durable pipes. Life is 100 years. They are manufactured in lengths of about 3.5 meter to 6 meter. They are available in sizes about 1.2 meter up to 1.2 meter diameter. Advantages of cast iron pipes are, first of all, these are moderate cost. Second, withstand high internal pressure. In pressure conduits pipe, exert water hammer pressure. So this pipe is very suitable withstand high internal pressure. Third one is strong and durable. These pipes are easy to join, and service connections can be easily made. Next, not subjected to corrosion. Life is long life, 100 years or so. Some disadvantages also of this pipe. Disadvantages of cast iron pipe: carrying capacity decreases with age due to roughness. Unsuitable for pressure more than zero point 0.7 Newton per millimeter square. Next disadvantage is heavy and difficult to transport. So transportation cost is more. Next, break easily due to brittleness, because cast iron is brittle material, so there is risk of brittleness. Second is cement concrete pipes. This pipe can be precast or cast in situ. Precast means factory made, or cast in situ means manufactured or cast in field at site. They may be plain, reinforced, or pre-stressed. Up to 15 meter head. Up to 15 meter head, plain concrete pipes are used, but reinforced cement concrete pipes can be used up to a head of 75 meter and pre-stressed for more than 75 meter. RCC pipes are also called Hume pipes or spun pipes. Advantages of concrete pipe or RCC pipes: smooth internally and durable. Second advantage is low maintenance cost. Third, cast in situ, eliminate transport charges, no need of transportation. Fourth, no corrosion. Fifth advantage, long life, about 75 years life. And next is unaffected by buoyant force due to its heavy weight. Next advantage is they do not collapse under normal traffic loads and unaffected by atmospheric actions. These are the advantages of concrete pipes. And disadvantages of concrete pipes: affected by acids and alkalis. Second, difficult repairing. Repairing is difficult. Cost of transportation and laying is more. Difficult to make connection. And next is may crack during handling and can cause leakage. And last disadvantage is cannot withstand high pressure. High pressure due to water hammer pressure in conduits. Water hammer pressure due to sudden closing or opening of sudden closing of valve. And third is galvanized iron pipes. They are widely used for service connections. Diameter vary from 6 to 75 mm. These are wrought iron pipes with zinc coating. Advantages of galvanized pipe: it is cheap. These pipes are light in weight, so easy to handle. And third is easy to join. Disadvantages of galvanized iron pipes: affected by acids and alkaline. And second, liable to incrustation easily. Fourth is lead pipes. Lead pipe generally not used in water supply because they cause lead poisoning. Mostly used in sanitary fittings or drainage. And for chlorination and alum dosing. Used for chlorination and alum dosing also. They cannot be used for hot water supply. Advantages of lead pipes are: it can be easily bent, and lead pipes can withstand high pressure. And disadvantages of lead pipes: first, cause lead poisoning and affected by acidic water. And second disadvantage, there is a sagging. Sag when used for hot water supply. Sagging or bending. Fifth is plastic pipes. Nowadays, plastic pipes are widely used. They are synthetic resins of high molecular weight. They are available from 15 to 150 mm diameter and 6 meter long. The ends of pipes are so proportioned that end of one pipe can be slipped into the other. Advantages of plastic pipes are: first, free from corrosion and damage due to freezing. Free from corrosion and damage. And second is highly resistant to acidic water, light in weight, easy to handle and transport. Fourth is smooth, flexible and possesses low hydraulic resistance. Jointing, bending and installation are easy. And these pipes are durable and unaffected by age, sunlight or weather. And one more advantage of plastic pipes is available in coils, hence easy to transport. Disadvantages of plastic pipes: plastic pipes has low heat resistance. And second is coefficient of expansion is high. Third, some plastic imparts taste and smell to water. This is the problem with plastic pipes. Next is steel pipes. They are used occasionally at places where pressure is high and diameter is more. Then use steel pipes. In these pipes, outside and inside surfaces are generally galvanized. Advantages of steel pipes are: available in large lengths, hence less number of joints. Second is durable and strong enough to resist internal water pressure or hammer pressure. Third is flexible and can be laid on curves. Pipe laying in curves is a very difficult task. So these pipes are flexible and can be laid on curves. Light in weight and easy to handle and transport. Fifth is useful as large diameter means. Disadvantages of steel pipes. First is high maintenance cost. Second, can be rusted by slightly acidic or alkaline water. Third is require more time for repair. So unsuitable in distribution lines. These pipes are not used in distribution lines. Used in big pipes transmit water from source to water treatment plant. Fourth, atmospheric agencies may have adverse effect. Next is vitrified clay pipes. These pipes not commonly used for water carrying under pressure. They are used for drains. These are manufactured by molding and baking spread quality clay. Molding by special quality clay. Advantages of vitrified clay pipes. Vitrified clay pipes, good quality clay pipes or high quality clay pipes is known as vitrified clay pipes. Advantages of vitrified clay pipes are these pipes are durable and can resist corrosion. Second is easy to lay, cut and join. Third one is strong enough to take the load of backfilling and traffic load. Next is interior surface is smooth and impervious. So chances of leakage is minimized. Disadvantages of vitrified clay pipes are these pipes are brittle due to the clay. Brittle hence get damaged during handling and unable to withstand pressure, high pressure. These are the some pressure conduits on the basis of material and advantages and disadvantages of these pipes. Thank you.